What's up guys, I think I found the problem on this ATV we're working on. Next thing I'm gonna check here is the starter itself. So let's get down in there and see what's up with the starter. First two you're going to take out here are on the water pump, and then you can pull that out. You don't have to change the coolant, that'll just pop right out like that. The only hang up you may have is these two guide pins right here and here. Sometimes those can get moisture in and they'll get rusty and they'll be hard to get out. Slowly, easily work your way and pry it out. Just be careful not to damage this gasket surface right here. You want to keep that as smooth as possible. No dings or chips in it, otherwise you won't hold oil in your engine. While I was going to test the starter there, I couldn't get it to come out. It should just pull straight out from the other side of the engine. Here you can see the starter is skipped up on these two teeth right there, and you'll also see that the starter is missing some teeth right there. So that's probably what the issue was. He jumped the starter on this gear here, so I'm going to check all the rest of these gears, make sure everything's good. The engine still turns over here, so I just have to get this starter out of here. We'll replace the starter, replace that starter solenoid, and I think this should be good. Get some new oil in it. Replace this too, it's kind of chewed up there, so we'll get one of those and that should do it. Almost lost that. Oh well, we'll get a new one on the new starter. Look at that, that's the starter there. You can see we've got some chipped teeth on that. We totally destroyed that. Alright, so parts list. We have the engine seal right there. We've got a starter, the starter gear, starter solenoid. That is the main thing so far. I'm also going to get an air filter, oil, probably going to look into getting a gas tank for this because I don't want to have to try to fix the plastic filler tube right there. We're going to check it all, make sure it all runs and everything. If not, we may be getting into more stuff on here, but for now that's what's on the parts list. Alright, so I had one of these left over from a previous rebuild I had, so I've got this starter gear. That means we can button this side all back up together. Done there, nothing else is bad in here. All looks pretty good. Alright, that went in a lot easier. We can stick our water pump back in. Here, there's two long ones, that's for your water pump. Everything else is pretty much the same, except you have two short ones up here on the top. Alright guys, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, be sure to smash the like button or just enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you want to find out if I can get this thing going, and I'll see you guys in the next video.